What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Tay Profit. I'm back at y'all with another video, and I ain't been on the charts with y'all in a minute. But hey, man, we here. I'm here to give you guys a recap on my trade that I had earlier today. If y'all see this video tomorrow, it happened yesterday. But yeah, this was on Friday, June 27th. So I'm gonna just go over this trade. I was in longs today. We had all-time highs with NQ. I just want to update y'all though. So now I trade not only NQ, which is NASDAQ, but I also now trade US 30. So I'll make another video regarding this, but as you can see here, I'm marking up US 30. I trade this as well. But I'm gonna give y'all some more insight on US 30 later because I trade it differently. So that'll be a separate video, but in today's video, I want to talk about NQ, NASDAQ, you know what I'm saying, Nas, baby, you already know how this goes. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into this video. I'm going to try to explain it to the best of my ability. We're just going to go step by step because I have a new process, and I got it all laid out for y'all. So I hope you guys can learn from this, get some value from this, and yeah, bro, I appreciate it. If y'all new to the channel, drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this where I post majority motivation content for day traders and let you guys in on my journey, let you guys know where I am. I got a lot of exciting news to share with you guys regarding my career in trading and the next steps that I've just been taking, just taking some leaps of faith, but I am very faithful in the Most High that He's going to guide me through them to lead me closer to success faster than I intend. But without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into the video. So this morning when I got to the charts, first thing I really noticed, if we start from the 4 hour, okay, it's not snitching on me. Good. So on the 4 hour, we don't really see nothing but a whole bunch of running up, super bullish momentum, right? We just reached new highs for NQ. And so usually the first thing I do every day is mark up previous day high. All right, for the video I will go ahead and put that here, but usually I don't even like write it down. So I mark previous days highs and lows. Should have did H and L, but it's fine. Previous day high / low, right? So this just gives me the range for yesterday, right? Usually I use this to draw fibs, get retracements to go ahead and push higher. That's kind of how my new style is. I still mark highs and lows of the day for NQ, but not for US 30. Like I said, that's a whole different video. I ain't gonna worry about US 30, but for right now, yeah, I still do my low of the day, high today. I don't use it every single day. I don't use it on Wednesdays because it just seems to always disrespect it. Now, once I have my previous day high, previous day low marked up, and the highs and the lows of the day, this is where I start getting to the nitty gritty. The next thing I'm looking for is fair value gaps, specifically on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30-minute time frame. Those are the fair value gaps that tend to do the most work. So I'm gonna just go ahead and mark these up. Oh, my bad. So yeah, we got the 1 hour fair value gap here. And I put that in right. That's the nearest one. So price is at all-time highs. Price is very bullish. So when we got to all-time highs, I started getting confused, obviously, because usually my strategy, I'm waiting for like a retracement from the previous day to kind of have a trade in here and then have a continuation up. But as of recently, we've been having these patterns where we just kind of reject off of the high of the previous day and continue bullish. So like this day, price open, came all the way up, came down, it was selling, but you see price rejected near last high, the previous day high, and continue pushing up, right? Damn, what did I just do? What the hell was that? Undo that. What was that? Okay, cool. same thing. The next day we kind of came up. This day was actually a little bit normal. So we would have been at the charts around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, right? So we pulled that fib from previous day low to the current high at that day before the next moment. And you will see price came down and hit that 50% extension. Also at the 1 hour order block. So this was also a banger trade I caught that I didn't get a chance to record for you guys or even speak on, but I have a new system now. So what I'm looking for, my three confirmations: one is trend, bullish, London session, bullish; two, fair value gap, or in this case, just a gap or order block, which we do have here. If you look, you have this 1 hour fair value gap, very small, by the way, very small. I'm pretty sure there's a 30-minute in there somewhere. So price went through this fair value gap, rejected this order block, the 1 hour, at the 50% fib extension, and then continued to push higher. So that's a W trade in itself. I think this day I did make some mistakes though, so I didn't fully capitalize off this move. I won't cap to y'all. I did a 2-to-1 on this one. This was a trade I made back money that I had lost previously. Trying to go short. I was going short until I seen this move and I was like, damn, bias is wrong. Let's reverse, right? And I ain't see this, but looking back on it, you just see, okay, you see how price is moving. So that's one. Confirmation one is the bullish trend going from previous day into today, right? London is bullish. Price falls, comes down to this 50% fib retracement at this 1 hour order block, which also ran through this 1 hour fair value gap and then pushed higher. This was also giving a 3-to-1, but at the end of the day, this didn't happen till about 11 o'clock. And I wanted to be in and out of my trade because I had a doctor's appointment. So yeah, that's what happened. Now we go into today. Let me get all this off. I don't want y'all to be too confused, but y'all can always go and pause and rewatch that if you don't understand my intro strategy. Right? All right, boom. So we come into today, Friday, yesterday, like Thursday was bullish, of course. So going into Friday, this is my mistake that I used to make. I was pulling the fib here and expecting for price to kind of fall down all the way here and then continue to push up, but we're at all-time highs. So price is moving extremely fast, super bullish. So fib retracement isn't really the best option to use here. So yeah, for me, going into today, the first thing I seen was this fair value gap. So what I wanted to see price do is use previous day high as a support, right? Because it was a resistance, but we broke through it. And I would like to see some support here at the previous day high after running this 1 hour fair value gap to go ahead and push higher to create new higher highs, which is risky because you never know when the market is ready to drop down. But still, this is what I was looking for, okay? I wanted price to get filled here, this 1 hour fair value gap, reject off of the previous day high, and then continue to push forward. We go down to the 30-minute. This 1 hour fair value gap also is still aligning with the 30-minute time frame, which builds conviction for me, okay? At the bare minimum, if price came down to this 1 hour order block right here, or 1 hour gap, whatever you call it, if price taps here first and then continues to push, that'll be an even stronger confirmation. So let's just go ahead and get to the market open. All right, that's 8 o'clock. So boom, at 8 o'clock, we already went through this 1 hour for value gap. So I seen that and it was like, okay, cool. Let's see, we ran through the fair value gap. We're at previous day high. Are we gonna use this as a support, right? And then we have our entry here, which the 1 hour time frame and the 30-hour time frame are sharing that same order block, right? So 30-minute slash the 1 hour. This is just more confirmation for me, right? Also, there's another small 30-minute fair value gap. So I'm looking at this like, no, price wants to go ahead and push higher. This is a very fast, very easy trade, and y'all are about to see in just a second. I know today's trade was pretty fast, so I want to break it down so that way you guys don't miss out on anything. Was I skeptical on anything? Was I worried about anything being bearish? Yes and no, because like I said, we're at all-time highs. Price is definitely overbought, but London session, right? I use this trading session indicator. London session was very bullish until it had that drop. Just showing that it had the momentum to continue to push up, and this is like a retracement, right? And this is Asian session low. So if you pull a fib from Asian session low to London high, I mean, you got the 50% wasn't respected, but that 61% is pretty strong. But I prefer 50, so I didn't use fib today. You know what I'm saying? I didn't use a fib. Right? So my area for entry is gonna be right here. If we can get price right here, I'm willing to take these longs back all the way up to make new highs. So the points wasn't really too crazy today, but I mean, I risked 50 points to get 100, and it's kind of hard to like really sit through these trades where it's like, is it gonna make a new high? Because it's at all-time highs. So I just have to go with what I was seeing. I see two fair value gaps getting pushed through. If it rejects here, I'm taking longs because that's what's happening right now. So let's just go ahead, break it down, chop it down, go down to the 5 minute. I want to get real exact on the entry. Boom. See that? Price ran this fair value gap. Price ran into the 30 and 1 hour order block. I was hesitant on entry because it pushed all the way through, so I didn't like that. But like I said, I wanted my entry to be at least right here, and that's exactly when price started shooting back up and creating that long wick. I'm like, this is some buying momentum. So I enter buys here. I can't really get the exact minute. I mean, I can, because the entry definitely mattered on today's trade, because me showing you guys through, I mean, I can show y'all, forget it, it's no biggie. Just know I caught the move here, and I can show y'all that later on. So I got a position there. Stops, my stop loss was 50 points. Y'all can ignore that because that's the points are gonna be off. That's how I made $1,000 today, 993 to be exact. But yeah, so we can go ahead and play through this. And booyah kasha. Very simple trade. I wish I could have showed this trade live, but I haven't really been doing any live trade videos. I've really been focused on giving you guys raw game and just letting y'all know where I'm at mentally. But in the next video, I'll be telling y'all about something that I did, which I spoke on in a previous video, but I'm actually finally taking action, and I officially, let's just say I officially started something, but I'll say that for next video. This is a very clean cut trade. It did end up pushing higher, but you know, the best result would be a 3-to-1. But I only really go for 3-to-1s off of false break moves. And yeah, it really died after that. So really ain't much to it. Did it actually hit? I don't know if it actually went on. I could be lying to y'all. Okay, no, that was it. So yeah, I went for only 100 points. Keep it safe, keep it sweet, and move on to the next day. But yes, I'm gonna show y'all my results off of Top Step X. And yeah, so this is another account that I've been trading on. Made $993. And yes, one trade. We had one trade. That's all we took. Took 900. yeah, man. Green day, green day, green day. This is where we at with the account. So that first day of my first day trading this account was last week. I got it back from a reset, and we lost that day. And ever since then, I've been pretty much green. Took a couple mistake trades on this day. Took care of that. Over traded this day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not proud of it. As you can see here, I did a lot of over trading and taking out positions. 155, 20, 20, 200, $22.60, 164. Over trading, but you see shorts. I was going shorts, and then I went long like so many damn times. And that was from the trade that I was showing y'all from the previous day, which was, I believe, Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. This day here, all of this space right here, I was getting cooked. I was getting crammed in this area. Just getting cooked. Are we selling or not? But I didn't have my proper, setup drawn out. So, yeah, man. That's what happened yesterday. But I came back, broke even with some decent trades back to back. Which this is kind of like a full port trade. I'm not proud of that. Okay. Saved myself, took the break even, moved on. Today we executed perfectly. So this was a W week. I'm up $1,600 for the week. For the account total, I'm up almost $1,300. So about halfway through the challenge. So yes, next week we should be looking at another funded account pass. I'm just gonna take my time. I'm not gonna rush anything. I just appreciate you guys for being here. Thankful to be in this position. You guys don't understand the ability to even know this skill, learn this skill. It's truly a blessing. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Don't want to rabble y'all heads off. This is just a video to bring back to you guys, show y'all some of my insights on the chart, showing y'all how simple it really can be, man. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the love and support. Keep God first. Keep grinding and growing. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.